Welcome back to my YouTube channel VP Brain.
What is the difference between GMP and cGMP? Firstly, we discussed about GMP, good manufacturing practices. GMP is the part of quality assurance which ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use and as required by the marketing authorization. GMP are aimed primarily at diminishing the risks inherent in any pharmaceutical production. Such risks are essentially of two types. One, cross-contamination, in particular of unexpected contamination. Two, mix-ups, confusion. Second is cGMP, current good manufacturing practices. This means any procedure system adopted by the manufacturer which proves to be necessary and important for identity, strength and purity of a product.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.